My aim is not to be one of the crowd's favorite, but to emancipate the minds of the people that are stuck in a slave ship. Let's face it, hip-hop needs a facelift from this fiction, cause like a killing of a garbage collector, your life will get wasted. I elevate beyond the levels of a skyrocket with brains that are more empty than a poor man's pocket. We need to stop it with the futuristic prophets and make them disappear like bribery does to police targets. Hip-hop is an examination and most of you cats fail the test, cause if your days are numbered, kid, it's kinda hard to do the math. Don't stand in my path, just chill and relax. I leave them shaking like awaiting the results of an HIV test. And yo, I do this for the love, not the glory or the groupies, cause most of these girls come cheap like low budget porn movies. On microphones are metaclones, and be the one to cast the first stone, to leave the life more rocky than Sylvester Stallone. Step on stage with rage when it's time to engage, cause these amateurs wouldn't move crowds performing in an earthquake. This planet of the apes is my birthplace, better known as Mother Earth. In ciphers I rip my bodies than women and Jew in a cesarean birth. A student of the streets I'm well taught, with vocal cords that rip more heads and battles than the edge of Achilles' sword. Murder these retards with weak hearts and leave them hallucinating like an overdose of cheap drugs. Using my vocab for raw raps to change the format. Godly kings who use red carpets as a doormat. Murder these scumbags with fake raps in a contest with styles that are more fraudulent than internet hoax scams. The rise of the machines infiltrating the scenes. Don't get it twisted, kid, cause this hip-hop also runs in my genes. Doper than bloodstreams of drug fiends. It's not always what it seems. I came to still the shine like load shedding does to light beams. You get slain with my rage if you fail to maintain, cause my love for this thing stays more permanent than blood stains. To all you biters, I might just get sick as a virus to eat your eyeballs so you can see what an appetite is. Heavenly divine in my prime when it's my time to shine, cause like premature ejaculations I came way before my time. Utilizing a rhyme to state what's in my mind, cause whether you like it or not, you bound to dig this like workers in the mine. Highly esoteric, verbally barbaric, burn like acid. I leave you laying face flat like birds with weak aerodynamics. Violent, I abuse every beat that I rap on, so when it's on, I pierce fears to leave the scene looking more bloody than the used tampon. So step on and forget breaking a leg, cause I'm after your Achilles tendon. When it's time to ignite, I knock the lights out to leave you stuck in the dark like a blind man's sight. Cause you cats are far from being tight, claiming that you assassins, but the only time you'll ever kill is when you commit suicide. That's why I fight to keep it tight, cause you amateurs get softer punchlines and faggots trapped in a fist fight. I rap from the heart, so listen when I'm speaking. What I drop will leave a blind man thinking that seeing is believing. My people are trapped and they far from being free, cause they keep making dumb moves like YFM firing Lee. I pledge allegiance to the powers that be. I'm constantly dropping dope lines, so when you get addicted to weed, you can blame it on me. Dope lyrics and delivery, I'm far from sounding whack. I got pit balls, no wonder why my heart not to crack, cause I'm back again. Through this music I'm massacring with verses that rock head so bad it can lead to your brain damaging.